Ready to test your knowledge of UK's rarest classic cars? See if you can recognize these 10 iconic models from just a photo. Score 5 points if you can name the car before the options appear. If you need the choices but still get it right, you'll earn 2 points. Let's hit the road. Round 1. Which classic British car is captured in this image? Is it A. Aston Martin DB4 GT Zagato, B. Jaguar XK SS, C. AC Cobra, or D. Lotus Elan 26R? Opted for B. Jaguar XK SS? You are right. The Jaguar XK SS is a rare gem, with only 16 made before a 1957 fire ended production. It's the street version of the famed D-Type, celebrated for its Le Mans victories. Round 2. Check out this one. Can you identify it? Is this the A. McLaren F1, B. Ferrari F50, C. Porsche 918 Spider, or D. Lamborghini Murcielago LP670 4SV? The correct answer is A. McLaren F1. The McLaren F1, a supercar legend with only 106 built, was the fastest production car for years. Its central driving position and top speed of 240 miles per hour make it a standout. Round 3. Can you nail down which one this is? Here are your options. A. Lotus 11, B. TVR Grand Tura, C. Caterham 7, or D. Marcos GT Xylon? Correct! It's the D. Marcos GT Xylon. With only 9 ever built, the Marcos GT Xylon features a unique wooden frame and early racing pedigree, including time with Jackie Stewart. Round 4. Which classic car for the UK is this? What's your pick? A. Jensen CV8, B. TVR Vixen, C. Bristol 407, or D. Sunbeam Alpine? The right answer is A. Jensen CV8. The Jensen CV8, with around 500 made, is a rare British Grand Tourer featuring a powerful American V8 and a distinctive design. Round 5. Guess the name of this iconic car. Is this classic car A. Ginetta G15, B. Bond Equipe GT, C. Gilburn Invader, or D. Reliant Scimitar GTE? Did you go with C. Gilburn Invader? Great call! The Gilburn Invader, with fewer than 600 made, features a steel tube frame and fiberglass body, making it a rare and impressive British sports car. Round 6. Which model is this classic car? Is it A. Riley RMF, B. Bristol 402, C. Healy Elliott, or D. Jowett Javelin? The right choice is B. Bristol 402. The Bristol 402, with only 24 made, is a rare aerodynamic coupe known for its elegant lines and advanced engineering, rooted in Bristol's aviation history. Round 7. What is this British classic? Could it be A. Jaguar C-Type, B. Frazer-Nash Le Mans Coupe, C. Lister Nobile, or D. Aston Martin DB3S? Did you guess D. Aston Martin DB3S? Well done! The Aston Martin DB3S, with just 31 built, is a rare race car famous for its streamlined design and Le Mans endurance pedigree. Round 8. Identify this British beauty. Is it maybe A. Turner 950 Sports, B. Fairthorpe Electron, C. TVR Grandtura Mark I, or D. Berkeley B105? The correct answer is C. TVR Grandtura Mark I. The TVR Grandtura Mark I, TVR's first production car, is rare with about 100 made. Its lightweight fiberglass body and agility make it a prized classic. Round 9. What's the name of this British car? Are we looking at A. Lagonda V12, B. Bentley 4¼ liter, C. Alvis Speed 25, or D. Daimler DB18? If A. Lagonda V12 was your choice, you are spot on. With about 189 units made, the Lagonda V12 is a luxurious pre-war grand tourer known for its powerful engine and elegant design. Round 10. What's your call on this one? Does it look like A. Turner Mark III, B. TVR Griffith, C. Bristol 407, or D. Gordon Keeble GK1? The correct answer is D. Gordon Keeble GK1. The Gordon Keeble GK1, with only 99 made, features a stylish Italian-inspired design and a powerful Chevrolet V8, making it a rare and unique classic. It's time to calculate your total points and see how you rank. Well, how many points did you score? Share your results in the comments below and let us know which rarest British classic car you found the most challenging.